Hey guys, welcome back to the Bradypat RC YouTube channel. Don't do a lot of talking, as you well know, but thought it'd be time to give you a little bit of a tour of the shop and just to see what we have in store. So we'll start on the top shelf. We've got the little 116 UDI RC breaker, brushed, good little vehicle there. Then we've got the Ftx Ravine 4-wheel steer. As you can see, it's got a Traxxas Stampede Tiger body on it. Fits perfectly. Just use the body mounts there as the same. It's got Ftx High Rocks wheels on it and tyres. Does great. Did a video a few days ago. Really love that. Got the Abisma ATC 3.4 touring car, truck, whatever you want to call it. Haven't really run that yet. Gonna look forward to doing some few videos on that. Then we switch down to the old faithful, the old SCX 10.2. It's got the wheels off it at the moment, just cleaning the foams, keeping the maintenance on the tyres. Good rig, no major upgrades, just a Savox steering servo that give out after a couple of years, the original one. So I fitted one of them, works lovely. The Ftx Mauler, again, wheels are off it for some foam maintenance. Really good rig for the money. Then we got another one of the old ones that I've got, the Charisma SCA 1E Coyote. As you can see, been working on the body, painted the stock bead locks. Just got to build an interior for that and get that front looking nice and neat. Otherwise I'm continually running that, and again, all stock apart from the servo. Again, here we go, is the Trx4 Defender. Absolute beast, absolutely love that. Not long fitted a winch, hopefully get some winch action soon. Then we switch over to the Armour Centre BLX. What a monster on 3S that. Going to start running that on 2S. My son can then drive that and control it a bit better, because it is a bit twitchy, but what a beast. Already broke the front bumper, but it's not the end of the world. Still going to run that. Already gone through 2 sets of rear tyres. Luckily, one of the Bradypat RC crew guys, Pierre Chan, thank you, has already given me a couple of sets for free. Here we have the Traxxas / 4x4. Runs on 2S. Absolute beast. There was a video I did a few days ago. It's now covered in dust, needs a good clean. But then, some of you that have been following my channel for the last couple of years, not one for really cleaning things till something breaks, but you know, I quite like the dirty look, makes it look realistic. Then we go down, haven't run this in a while. It's all about time, really. Got the Ducati V4 Panigale, or Panigale, whatever you guys want to call it. Drift bike. Underneath we got the WPL C24 original chassis and wheels. I just painted the rims, and it's got the MN99S D90 body on it, which I've done some work to. As you can see, it was silver. We got a new bright Baja buggy at the back there. That needs just some proportional steering put in, otherwise that's not bad. Then we got my original 1988 Tamiya Vanquish 4-wheel drive off-road buggy racer. Absolute beast. Must get that up and running. Still got the original tyres on it. Look at that, look. Well worn, look. Close friend of mine gave me that a while back. Wasn't working, got swapped the electrics out. Absolute stunning. Original body. Still got the original box somewhere. Yeah, have I got the original box? Yeah, there it is, look. A cheap 114 racing buggy. Again, just needs proportional steering, otherwise that's not too bad. For £28, got 2 of them. pretty good. There's the little Power Craze 124 rigs, lots of fun. All three of them got 2 speeds, brilliant. Little trailer, cheap Amazon, I think £28 I paid for that, not too bad. Had to do a little bit of extra work to it, can't knock it for the money. Just had to re-strengthen these parts here straight away. First run I took it out, all fell to bits on these leaf spring brackets, but now it's absolute monster. That's great, that is. There we have the a body that I'm working on for the Traxxas 4x4 slash. It's actually killer bodies. Gonna go for the Monster Energy trophy truck look. Again, another project that's just sitting there. Up here we got my original Tamiya TA03F or 03F, whatever you guys call it. It's a good working order. Been working on that again. It's got some decals to come. Get some videos of that. Like that. It's really nice and smooth, that. Original wheels. Absolute lovely. Then we got the Ftx Banzai Drift Car. Only run that a few times really. Didn't really get into drifting that much, but I must revisit that actually. Quite like that. Good for the money, that. There we go. Over here on the top shelf we got the old Huina tipper lorry, the old Ftx Ravine original body sitting there. We've got a couple of Huina excavators there, just sitting on the shelf again. Must get them running. The Kyosho monster truck. I think it's about £140 I paid for that originally. Son loved it. Great condition. Brilliant little monster truck there. Runs on 2S. One of our old rigs here from a few years back. That is the Ftx Outlaw. Having some work done on it at the moment. I have neglected it, to be fair. It's got new motor, it's got new electrics. I just need to strip the front off and get that all nice and lubricated. Got rid of the original body. There is a video going back a couple of years, I believe, where during lockdown I was a bit bored, and I thought, what can I do to this? So I took the body off, found an old plastic box, which is quite good grade plastic, and just fabricated some panels on the cage there. Looks quite good. We moved down the shelf there and we got the 118 Maverick Ion monster truck. First run out, bust the wheel, hit a curb. Must get that up and running. That is soup for the money. They are super great. They're so fast. Till you hit a curb, obviously. But they are so fast, I can't believe it. They're brilliant. And there's one of our old purchases there, the Traxxas 2-wheel drive Stampede, a great favourite of mine. Has not let me down. That has been bashed, dropped, somersaults, you name it. Hasn't got the original wheels now because they degraded a little bit. Got these Pro lines on now. Don't know what the full name of them are. Got the old Beetle body on it. Really good. And then we got an old purchase here, the Ansman short course car. Let's drop that on the floor. Worked on that original body. They don't make these anymore, and luckily SC Models, when I was there spending quite a lot of money recently, give me a bag of spare parts, because no one really comes in and wants anything Ansman anymore. I was really appreciated. That's a fair play to SC Models. Again, brilliant little thing. Picked that up quite cheap because it sat on a shelf at a model shop. Faded box and everything. Got a good deal on that. Had to get new electrics. Bashed it that much. Had to cut the back of the body off. Got a bit of a timber in the back there to keep a support. and a bit of weight down, screwed it in through the side, put some Red Bull stickers on it each side. Must run that again soon. That's just fantastic, that. So there's a quick tour of the shop. So got some projects up and running, still got to do them. I start one project, then another, then another, then another. I should really just finish one, get them all done, but it's all time, you know, what with the family and stuff like that. But thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll get some more videos done. Well, I'll talk a bit more and explain a few things. But appreciate everybody's support, and stay tuned. Hopefully have some more RCs coming soon. Got my Traxxas 2.5 T-Max. That's currently in for repair and a service at the minute, so that's nitro. We'll get that up and running. Shouldn't be too long now. So everybody enjoy the rest of your weekend, and speak to you all soon.